Hello Globetrotters, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Lori, and in this community we aim to educate, motivate, and inspire each other in all things travel related. If you're like me, you're already planning for 2025. You're planning on where you can go, what you can do, what new things you can see. So I have decided to put together a little video. I've done all of the research. I've looked at all of the different trends for 2025, and I'm going to briefly go over where the trends are, and then I'm going to tell you the cheapest places to fly from the United States based on the percentage of reduction in airfare. The first trend is SKI. And SKI is a really cute little acronym for spending your kids' inheritance. And this is based on the fact that baby boomers are the ones who are doing the biggest amount of travel. And they fear that they're spending their kids' inheritance because of all of this travel that they're doing. There's also an increase in wellness tourism. Now, this is nothing new, but what's new is that you're seeing a lot more men's only retreats where men are planning to get away. You know that men historically have not been very good at taking care of themselves unless they're in a partnership. They're getting away, they're trying to bond more or bond period because, you know, men have historically not been ones to form those long-lasting friendships from childhood all the way into adulthoods. The next trend that we're seeing an increase in is solo travel. As a matter of fact, the experts are saying that women and men are just about equally engaging more in solo travel, although they're booking different itineraries for different reasons and with different criteria in mind. The cruise industry has even taken note of this increase in solo travel, and they are doing better with respect to solo sailings and singles taking cruises. So they have decided that they're going to do more cruise cabins for singles instead of charging you a full fare for 2 or more people in a room. So along with the wellness trend and along with millennials engaging in what they call flocking, where they're trying to unplug, you're finding also that there is an increase in dupes tourism, where there's a lot more people looking to go to the less traveled locations, the less traveled destinations. So they don't want the places that are all very busy. They want the places that are going to be a little bit more calm and a little bit less touristy. So for instance, if you're interested in Hawaii, someplace that's a beach-like destination, then they suggest looking at St. Lucia, which is considered the Hawaii of the Caribbean. And now for the fifth trend we're going to talk about today. Because there are so many more routes available the further out we get from COVID, and because there's so many more planes flying, there is much more competition. And that means that prices will also go down. These reductions in airfares are making travel more accessible than ever. For instance, at the top of the list is Nice, France. Nice offers a mix of natural beauty, cultural experiences, and affordability that makes it a great value destination for Americans. Once in Nice, there are plenty of affordable dining options and fresh regional produce for foodies. Also, many of the city's top attractions, including the Promenade des Anglais, Castle Hill, and the Matisse Museum, are either free or no cost. Nice is also a great alternative to Paris, as well as to Cannes. Yes, Nice is a smaller city than Paris, but it is larger than Cannes. It's France's 5th largest city, and it is busier, more livelier, noisier, more diverse, and it also has some more gritty parts as well than Cannes. Next, in order of greatest drop in airfares flying from the US is St. Lucia, specifically Castries St. Lucia. St. Lucia is known for its natural landscapes, many of which are free and low cost to explore. Americans looking to relax in nature will find that from the beaches near Castries to the nearby Pitons, rainforests, and waterfalls, St. Lucia has plenty of budget-friendly outdoor activities. Next, we travel to the Lesser Antilles, to the Western Caribbean and the Southeastern Caribbean Sea, to the island state of Barbados, specifically Bridgetown, Barbados. Barbados is a great alternative to far-off tropical locations such as the Seychelles. And who knows, you may see its most famous resident, Rihanna, on the beaches or perhaps at Cropover. Next, we head to North Africa to a less frequented destination. Rabat, Morocco is not as crowded as other Moroccan cities. Americans seeking to explore a new culture will find authentic goods at better rates since the souks, or local markets in Rabat, are less touristy than those in other cities. Morocco is a Muslim state with Islam as its official religion, and in Rabat, the main languages spoken are Arabic and French. Next, we travel north back to Europe with a decline of 19% in airfares from the United States, Amsterdam, Netherlands. Dutch culture is very diverse, very colorful. And in Amsterdam, you will find many people who speak English fluently, so language will not be an issue for Americans traveling to this very metropolitan city. And finally, we head to South America, where our host country is Colombia, and our bonus city is Barranquilla, Colombia. Visitors to Barranquilla will enjoy a rich cultural experience without breaking the bank. Strategically located along the Caribbean coast, Barranquilla is an excellent, affordable base for exploring other nearby attractions such as the beaches of Santa Marta, the historic city of Cartagena, and the stunning natural landscapes of the Sierra Nevada de Santa Marta. However, Barranquilla is perhaps most famous for its Carnaval de Barranquilla, a 4-day festival that takes place during Lent and celebrates the city's diverse heritage through music, dance, and cultural costumes. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for liking, subscribing, and sharing the video. Be sure to value experiences over things, because travel is the only thing you buy that truly makes you richer. See you in the next video. Ciao.